How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about a beautiful trade we caught in the live today. Probably going to be the biggest trade of the week. It's going to be hard to beat. But let's just get right into it, okay? We got the 15-minute range in here, right? New York Open. We went on the first 15 minutes. This is what the range is. I want to see a nice high volume candle coming out of this range for a possible entry, right? Technically, what I was watching for to start the day was a bounce at 29,000 down to this previous day point of control at 957. We almost got my entry here. I was looking to break above and I wanted to reclaim this for my entry. We didn't quite get there. You can see this was a very fast candle. Push down, straight back up, rip up. This was the actual confirmation candle I got for longs. I didn't enter at the close. I waited on the pullback. We pushed below this point of control, and right as we was reclaiming, that's where I took my long entry. We did really well on our execution. We held this trade through all of this. We trailed our stop up once we got our second trim, and it ended up catching it right here. This candle here stopped us out. Just didn't really make sense for me to hold any further than that and let it come back, taken away from my profits. The stop was well into profits here. Don't get me wrong. I'm just, that's how I like to manage my trade. Where would my stop be in this trade? Typically, I put it at the bottom of the confirmation candle if there's not too much risk. And in this case, that was the perfect place to place it, right? We had a risk defined, made sense from a risk to reward perspective. We got in this trade and absolutely printed. If you have any questions about this setup, or if you wanted to come trade with us, just join the live every morning. It's 100% free, good vibes. In my opinion, the best community out there. And that's it. Appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.